I'm going to say it now, and these are some big words, but it's crazy. It's nuts. It's unprecedented. What's the kind of weather that's coming our way Wednesday, because these temperatures could be so above average and it could be so windy. And we could be talking thunderstorms. And by the way, Christmas is less than 2 weeks away. So record warmth coming on Wednesday after kind of mild temperatures today and tomorrow, a little bit above average. Wind and thunderstorms also in the forecast Wednesday. For right now, though, in Rochester, 26 degrees. It has cooled down a little bit since yesterday, and now it's below freezing. We were seeing the snow continuing to melt through most of the night. That's calmed down for the moment. We're going to see more of that snow melting later today because we're climbing back above freezing, highs in the mid to upper 30s. And for those of us who work into the upper 30s and then dip back down a little bit below freezing or cooler overnight, there is that potential for fog because we get some of that snow melting. It turns into water vapor, and then the temperatures are dropping down overnight into that water vapor, and you squeeze out some of that in the form of fog. So we'll watch for some fog chances this evening. Otherwise, it's a pretty nice day. Overnight, those temperatures don't get too cold at all. Again, that fog could really keep things rather warm and above freezing for most of the night, maybe even, especially for tomorrow. But as we work into Wednesday, this is the day we're going to keep our eye on. Again, today, tomorrow, rather nice days. You can just go outside, take the dog for a walk, enjoy the snow if you like that. It's going to be gone by Wednesday afternoon. High temperatures are going to be upper 50s, low 60s, maybe even the mid 60s. This is breaking records, not by a little bit. We're not skating by a lot. And with that comes strong winds and also a chance for thunderstorms, and I can't even rule out the chance for severe weather. I'll talk more about that, but probably the most important point, aside from thunderstorms and the warmth on Wednesday, believe it or not, is the wind. Wind gusts, 60 miles per hour. I made this graphic with this scale like a year ago after I'd been watching the weather here for a while. I never thought I'd get that high in this graphic, but here we are. Crazy winds coming our day Wednesday, 60 mile plus per hour gusts. That's why we have the high wind watch, and it likely becomes a warning for Wednesday afternoon and evening, especially in the evening. This is something that you're going to need to take account for. You're going to need to secure anything that's outside. That exceeds actually our normal criteria for severe thunderstorm warning, 60 mile per hour gusts. Again, coming our day Wednesday, record heat. The forecast breaking both of those records for December 15th. And also coming with that is the chance for thunderstorms. Because we're getting so much wind and so much heat, it's within the realm of possibility that we get a brief chance for severe weather with those thunderstorms sometime late Wednesday. Again, fog could be a limiting factor, and it's just going to come down to how much snow we see melt before Wednesday. I have changed the Wednesday on the 7-day forecast to red. That's kind of a new thing.